Drones allow you to examine areas of the mine or quarry where using traditional survey equipment is very difficult. Drones are used by the survey teams, where they need to capture an accurate model of the mine. These mapping surveys give us accurate 3D spatial data, which is used for multiple purposes. This includes aiding the design of dragline, pre-strip and production drill operations. The team also used this data to obtain a top of coal, roof of coal and profiling of the high walls. High wall mapping has become readily used by the geologists and geotech departments now to map the structure in the high walls, and this greatly enhances the safety of the mining of the active strip and also the future strips as we advance. Using remote controller has big benefits with the wider and brighter screen, which allows you to see more on the ground when you're in the air, and we are often flying in different conditions here, so in different lighting. They use the P1 camera for all of the mapping surveys. It has really high clarity and works well for surveying.